Hello, this is how I did that ping. This is Corel Draw, okay? So you go to rectangular tool, okay? And that's the outer curve, that's the inner curve, that's outer curve too, okay? So this is the one we are going to use. So I clicked on it, then come to this place and I think it does it now. That's the first one. The second option is to remove the outline. You clicked on it and come to this place and click your right mouse. The outline is out. Then you put any color that you want. Okay. Right. The third option is to save as ping. Okay. So you go to File, I go to Export. You click on Export. From here, you choose PNG, Portable Network Graphics. So to remove the white background, and you put your file name. I say OK. Now we are going to bring in what we saved. You go to File and you go to Import. Okay, that's what we saved, 01, and you import it. That's it. So we are going to Corel Draw now to apply gradients. Okay, we are in Corel Draw now. No, we are in Photoshop. Okay, we are now in Photoshop. We are going to bring in um that Corel Draw work. That's it here. Okay, so we drag it. So we are going to apply gradients. We bring this into, okay, the first one is blue and the second one is red. So we take the red first. Okay, right. So you go to the layer panel of the red. So that's it here. Okay, you clicked on it and you double click on it to open blending option. You can also click on your right mouse and scroll up and open blending options. Okay, right, still on blending options. So you come to this area and you look for gradient overlay and you click on it. Gradient overlay. Okay, so from here you double click it. Okay, once you click here, you come to this left side, you double click uh, and you give it okay, first of all we are going to change the angle. Okay, we change the angle. You are seeing it now. Okay, then you click on it, you double click on it and change. Okay, I say okay. Then from here you drag it and you remove this, you delete it. Okay, so this is what we have now. I say okay and okay. We have the first one now. We go to for the second one. Okay, we are going to drag this now to duplicate. Okay, you double click again to go to blending options, gradient overlay, then you click on gradient, you double click and click on red. Okay, say okay, then you double click on the right side and click on red. Say okay, then you drag to your own text. Okay, this is, we change this to normal red. Okay, okay, this is what we have. So we have created the same thing as this.